guys, welcome back to me, talk about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make money online without a degree or experience. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button for future videos. First of all, thank you so much guys for 20,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. This community is growing so fast and it makes me so happy because I take time from a very busy schedule to create this content for you guys, and to see that you actually appreciate this kind of content makes me happy. I don't only take time to create the content, but I do research. I try most of these jobs that I recommend, then I record and edit the content. So you can imagine the amount of time that it takes me to create this kind of videos. The support means a lot to me, and it just encourages me to create more and more content, and we can all be financially free. Anyways, I have one goal for today, other than of course giving you guys useful content as always. I also want to try to slow down because my speech therapist is going to be watching this video and I have to learn to slow down. Number one, truelancer.com. The easiest way, or rather simple way, to make money if you don't have any degree or any experience is to become a freelancer. This is one industry I wish many people could understand its potential. You literally don't have to wait on anyone or meet any requirements. Depending on how hard you work, you can make a lot of money. Truelancer is a website with thousands of top-rated freelancers all around the world, mainly South Africa, UK, US, Kenya, Nigeria, Philippines, and many other countries. On this website, you have to create your account, put your skills such as content writing, copyright, etc. Truelancer posts jobs from their clients, and they match their clients with freelancers who have the required skills. The client will have access to multiple profiles, and they'll go through each and every profile. They'll check the reviews, then they'll decide if they want to work with this freelancer or this one. Hence, it's important to check those already winning in the game so you can be inspired by them, and make sure that your profile also looks professional. Almost like Fiverr, Truelancer hold the funds until you submit the work of the client, and the client has to be satisfied. Only then they will release the payment to you. The minimum you can charge on this website is $5. Of course, it depends on the kind of project that you're doing. You can charge more. And there are two forms of payment, which is PayPal and direct transfer. So if you don't have PayPal, or PayPal doesn't exist in your country, you can use your own bank account. This is one site that will offer you multiple opportunities to make money online even without a degree or experience. All you need is a desire to work and do each and every task to the best of your abilities. Number two, Guru.com. Guru.com is an old freelance website that was established in 1998. On this website, you find multiple freelancers that are earning anywhere between $100 to $7,000. You don't only find no experience or non-degree jobs on this website, but they also have qualified freelancers who are using their skills that they've gained from work. Guys, we need to get rid of the idea of having one job, or that you can only change if you find something better. You can be working for a company but still use your skills as a freelancer on a company such as Guru.com. You don't need to give your whole life to one company or one job. Understand that that company would not think twice should they need to retrench you or fire you. Keep your loyalty with them, do work as expected, but also use your skills to freelance on the side, just in case something happens. It's free to sign up on Grid.com, but they do charge you 8.95% on your earnings. When you go to their website, you will realize that the interface of the website is very clean and easy to use. They divide talents or skills according to 8 main categories. You should check which one best suits your skills or your interests. I checked freelancers from South Africa on this website, and I realized that most of the freelancers from South Africa are of other races, not because the system or Group.com favors them, but because they take action and they understand the power of freelancing. As a YouTuber, I understand that my audience consists of different races, but I just want to say this specifically to people of color in South Africa. Vugadaki. There are many opportunities out there, and they are not going to find you in your comfort zone. Number three, Rev.com. Rev.com only accepts South Africa in Africa as a whole, but they do accept other countries as well outside Africa. On this website, you find captioners jobs as well as transcriptions. Captioning is different from transcribing. When you are transcribing, you are converting an audio to text. But captioning, you are dividing the transcript into chunks and time coding each frame to synchronize with the audio. They pay anywhere between 30 cents to $1 per minute, and they pay weekly. On Rev.com, you get to choose from hundreds of jobs posted. The good thing with this website, they always have jobs. When you go there, you will find different jobs on captioning or transcribing. I suggest you visit their website and apply. If you're in an African country but not in South Africa, don't worry, because the next one hires globally. Number four, Upwork freelance jobs. You may already know about Upwork because it is often compared to Fiverr, but I had to mention this only because my friend who's working on this platform showed me that she makes at least $400 per month. In case you didn't know, Upwork is one of the most famous freelancing websites. This website is very professional compared to other freelancing sites, which can be good, but also it can be bad for beginners. When you apply, you need to be approved by them, and sometimes they take long to approve applications. But with other platforms, you just create an account and you start working. If there is an influx of applications of similar skills, Upwork may reject your application, and they will tell you that there aren't enough opportunities for those skills. It is advised that when you're applying, you must pick as many subcategories as possible, even if it's a skill that you're still learning, just put it in case the other skills are oversaturated. Upwork also has a test that you need to take, and it is about 10 minutes. One of the things that can result to your profile not being approved include using nicknames instead of official names, using celebrity profile pictures or paid pictures. You must use your own face. If you have created an account before and you were rejected, you must make sure that you delete that account. Do not ask for a forgot password, but delete that account before you apply again, because when they see that they've rejected you before and you apply again, they don't even look at your application. If you decide to use this platform as a beginner with no degree or no experience, just be careful because they really pay attention to everything. Number 5, Picoworkers. Picoworkers.com is a website that advertises small gigs such as creating accounts, downloading, installing, and testing apps. This website is also for freelance hires, but it's not really my favorite because you can't scale up. Most jobs, they pay really small amounts, which is enough for the job that you actually do because you do literally simple tasks. It takes some time to actually see your money grow, but this is not to discourage you. If you go to their website, you'll realize that there are people who have made $500, $100 and more. I would say even though this may be the easiest way to make money using this website, Picoworkers, but I would rather put more effort in other 4 websites because those ones you can scale up. It's up to you how much you charge and you can actually make a sustainable living. So these are 5 websites that will definitely give you an opportunity to make a living online, even without a degree or experience. Most people drag their feet when it comes to freelancing simply because it requires more work. You are your own boss, and some people are scared of that. That's it for today, guys. If you have any question regarding this website, please drop it down below. I will try to reply as soon as I can. At the end of the day, I share all these ways of making money so that you can start making money online and hopefully one day achieve financial freedom. So if you have any questions, drop them below.